Hello student. Now we will see some other questions. Question number 30. D by dx under root x sin x. D by dx under root x sin x. Okay. Now solution. D by dx we can write under root x sin x as x sin x raised to 1 by 2. Clear? So there is a small bracket and the power is 1 by 2. So first differentiate this power. That means formula number 1. Formula number 1 is d by dx x raised to n is equal to n x raised to n minus 1. So for this we have to convert this term in this form. So let x sin x is equal to t. So we have d by dx t raised to 1 by 2. Now apply formula number 1 x raised to n. So we can't differentiate. So first of all write d by dx as d by dt t raised to 1 by 2 into dt by dx. Clear? Now this is t raised to 1 by 2 means under root t, and I told you that differentiation of under root x is 1 upon 2 under root x. So differentiation of under root t is with respect to t 1 upon 2 under root t d by dx. Now put the value of t. T is x sin x. Now we have to differentiate these two terms. That means we have to apply product formula. So this is first function and sin x is second function. 1 upon 2 under root. Now put the value of t x sin x. And now apply product rule. Yes, formula is first function differentiation of second function plus second function differentiation of first function. Okay. Differentiation of sin x is cos x and differentiation of x is 1. So 1 upon 2 under root x sin x. X differentiation of sin x is cos x and differentiation of x is 1. So the differentiation of under root x sin x is 1 upon 2 under root x sin x x cos x plus sin x. ओके तो सबसे पहले इसको t लेना है, ब्रैकेट लगाया, रेज टू पावर आई, तो पावर का सबसे पहले क्या करते हैं डिफरेंशिएशन, और उसके बाद जब हम इसका डिफरेंशिएशन करेंगे तो हमें क्या लगाना है प्रोडक्ट रूल. फर्स्ट फंक्शन डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ सेकंड प्लस सेकंड फंक्शन डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ फर्स्ट फंक्शन. ओके सो दिस इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर 30. नाउ सी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 40. d by dx e raised to 2x plus e raised to minus 2x upon e raised to 2x minus e raised to minus 2x. Okay, so this is the question. Now you should know d by dx e raised to x is equal to e raised to x. Okay, now we can see in other way. d by dx e raised to x, coefficient of x is 1, so this will be 1. Similarly d by dx e raised to 2x. Okay, now the coefficient of x is 2, so you can put 2 and as it is e raised to 2x. d by dx e raised to 4x, so 4 e raised to 4x. Now in place of 4x, if d by dx e raised to minus 3x, coefficient of x is minus 3, so you can write minus 3 e raised to minus 3x. Clear? So it is clear that differentiation of e raised to 2x is 2 e raised to 2x and differentiation of e raised to minus 2x is minus 2 e raised to minus 2x. Clear? So you should know. Similarly, it is applicable for sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Clear? For example, suppose we have to find differentiation of sine 3x. Coefficient of x is 3, so write 3, and differentiation of sine A is cos, so answer is cos 3x. Okay, so we have to write coefficient of x. Clear? And angle is same, 3x 3x. Clear? So first of all we have to apply divide rule. Now see, divide rule. So d by dx e raised to 2x plus e raised to minus 2x upon e raised to 2x minus e raised to minus 2x. Now apply divide rule. Denominator differentiation of numerator minus numerator differentiation of denominator upon denominator whole square. Denominator whole square. Clear? Now e raised to 2x minus e raised to minus 2x as it is. Differentiation of e raised to 2x, 2 e raised to 2x. Differentiation of e raised to minus 2x, minus 2 e raised to minus 2x plus as it is e raised to 2x plus e raised to minus 2x. Differentiation of e raised to 2x, 2 e raised to 2x, and differentiation of e raised to minus 2x is minus 2 e raised to minus 2x. That minus sign and this minus sign plus e raised to minus 2x upon e raised to 2x minus e raised to minus 2x whole square. Okay. Now simple multiplication. Okay. Or we can take 2 as common from these two terms. So take 2 as common. So we have e raised to 2x minus e raised to minus 2x, e raised to 2x minus e raised to minus 2x plus minus, there is a negative sign. Okay, there is negative sign formula. E raised, taking 2 as common, so 2 as common, so we have e raised to 2x plus e raised to minus 2x, e raised to 2x plus e raised to minus 2x upon e raised to 2x minus e raised to minus 2x whole square. Okay. So we took 2 as common, 2 as common. Now they are same terms, base is same, powers are added, base is same, powers are added. Clear? So in next step, we can take 2 as common, 2 as common, and base is same, powers are added. E raised to minus 2x, sorry, e raised to 2x minus e raised to minus 2x whole square minus e raised to 2x plus e raised to minus 2x whole square upon e raised to 2x minus e raised to minus 2x whole square. Okay. Now we have to solve these two terms. So there are two methods. One is either apply a minus b whole square, a plus b whole square, and second method is take this term as a and this is b. So a square minus b square formula. So a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. That is quite easy. So a plus b means e raised to 2x minus e raised to minus 2x plus e raised to 2x plus e raised to minus 2x. This is a plus b into a minus b, e raised to 2x minus e raised to minus 2x minus, multiply by minus sign, minus e raised to 2x and minus e raised to minus 2x upon e raised to 2x minus e raised to minus 2x whole square as it is. Now e raised to minus 2x, e raised to minus 2x cancel, and e raised to 2x, e raised to 2x cancel. So e raised to 2x plus e raised to 2x, already there is a 2. So 2 into e raised to 2x plus e raised to 2x, 2 e raised to 2x into minus e raised to minus 2x minus e raised to minus 2x minus 2 e raised to minus 2x upon e raised to 2x minus e raised to minus 2x whole square. Base is same, powers are added. 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. So minus 8 e raised to 2x minus 2x. Base is same, powers are added. Upon e raised to 2x minus e raised to minus 2x whole square. So 2x minus 2x 0 and e raised to 0 1. So our answer is minus 8 upon e raised to 2x minus e raised to minus 2x whole square. Clear? So differentiation of e raised to 2x plus e raised to minus 2x upon e raised to 2x minus e raised to minus 2x is minus 8 upon e raised to 2x minus e raised to minus 2x whole square. Clear? Now we will see next question. Question number 15. D by dx 1 upon log cos x. Okay, d by dx 1 upon log cos x. See, so we have to differentiate 1 upon log cos x dx. Since we have small bracket, generally if there is a small bracket then we can take that term as t. But in this case we know the differentiation of log x, not 1 upon log x. Okay, so in this question we have to take this term as t, or second method is take this term into numerator. Okay, so we can use any method. So shifting log cos x raised to minus 1. So shift this log cos x in numerator, the power is minus 1. Now first of all we have to differentiate the power. So take this whole term as t. So log cos x is equal to t. Clear? So d by dx t raised to minus 1. Now we can't differentiate, so write d by dx as d by dt t inverse into dt by dx. Differentiation of t inverse, yes we know, 1 upon t square. Differentiation of x inverse, 1 upon minus 1 upon x square. D by dx, put the value of t, log cos x. Do you know the differentiation of log cos x? No, but we know the differentiation of log x. So we have to convert. So let cos x as u. Cos x as u. Okay. Now cos x as u. So minus 1 upon t square d by dx log u. Okay. Now we can write d by du log u into du upon dx. We can't differentiate, so write d by dx as d by du log u into du by dx. Now differentiation of log u, 1 upon u. So minus 1 upon t square, 1 upon u d by dx. Now put the value of u as cos x. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Now put the value of t, log cos x whole square. Okay, into 1 upon u cos x, and differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Now this minus and this minus plus, and sin x upon cos x tan x. So the answer is 10x upon log cos x whole square. Okay, so these are the questions which are related to function of a function. Okay, so you can do one more question. Yes, we can take one more question. Important question. Question number 16. D by dx log x log x cube. Okay, so d by df log x cube. Now d by dx log x cube. Clear? Now first of all differentiate this term, this log, then this one, then this one. So first of all we differentiate this log. So for this make a small bracket and take log x cube is equal to t. Now we have d by dx log t. Okay, now we can't differentiate, so write d by dx as d by dt log t into dt by dx. Differentiation of log t 1 upon t d by dx, put the value of t log x cube, log x cube. Now we have to differentiate this log, so again make a bracket and take that term as u, so 1 upon t d by dx log u, 1 upon t. Now we can write d by dx as d by du log u into du by dx. Differentiation of log u 1 upon u. So differentiation of log u 1 upon t as it is, differentiation of log u 1 upon u d by dx. Now put the value of u log x cube. Yes, we can apply law of log m raised to n, and log n. So 1 upon t u into d by dx 3 log x m log n. Okay, now 3 is constant outside, so 3 upon tu d by dx log x. Differentiation of log x is 1 upon x, so 3 upon x, put the value of u, where is u, log x cube. Okay, and put the value of t, this one, so log x cube, this is the value of t, and u log x cube. So this is the value of t and this is the value of u. See, t log x cube and u log x cube. Again we can apply law of log m raised to n, and log m. So 3 upon x log x cube into 3 log x. 3 cancel. So the differentiation is 1 upon x log x log x क्यूब. ठीक है, तो क्या करना है, सबसे पहले इस लॉग का डिफरेंशिएशन करेंगे. उसके लिए इस पूरे टर्म को क्या लेना पड़ेगा, t. उसके बाद इस लॉग का डिफरेंशिएशन करेंगे तो इसको क्या लेना पड़ेगा हमें, u. ठीक है, तो इस टाइप से हम इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, ओके. सो इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो विल स्टार्ट नेक्स्ट थ्योरी. थैंक यू.